Effortless ways to make money online in 2024. Looking to make extra cash online in 2024? You're in the right place. With the digital age in full swing, there are countless ways to earn money from the comfort of your home. From freelancing to selling products, the opportunities are endless. Let's dive into some effective methods. Freelance writing is a fantastic way to make money online. Websites and blogs are always in need of fresh content. If you have a knack for words, you can get paid to write articles, blog posts, or even ebooks. The more you write, the more you earn. Online surveys offer a simple way to earn extra cash. Companies value your opinion, and they're willing to pay for it. By signing up on survey platforms, you can share your thoughts on products and services. It's an easy, flexible way to make money in your spare time. Becoming a virtual assistant allows you to assist businesses without leaving your home. Tasks can include managing emails, scheduling appointments, and social media management. It's an ideal job for organized individuals who enjoy helping others. Plus, you can work with clients from all over the world. Selling on Etsy provides a platform for your creativity. If you enjoy crafting, you can sell handmade items like jewelry, art, or home decor. Etsy makes it easy to reach customers who appreciate unique, handmade products. Turn your hobby into a profitable venture by setting up an online shop. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn money online by promoting products and earning commissions on sales. You simply recommend products or services to your audience through blogs, social media, or email marketing. The key is choosing products that align with your niche and audience's interests. Blogging offers multiple revenue streams, including ads and sponsorships. By creating valuable content and building a dedicated readership, bloggers can earn money through ad placements, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Consistently posting high-quality content helps attract more visitors and increases your earning potential over time. Starting a YouTube channel can be both fun and profitable. By creating engaging and informative videos, you can attract subscribers and generate ad revenue. Additionally, sponsorships and product placements can significantly boost your earnings. Consistency and creativity are essential to growing your channel and maximizing your income. Online tutoring is a flexible and rewarding way to make money by sharing your expertise in various subjects. Platforms like Zoom make it easy to connect with students worldwide. You can set your own hours and rates, making it an ideal option for teachers and professionals looking to supplement their income. Selling stock photography allows photographers to earn passive income by uploading their photos to stock sites. Each time someone purchases a license to use your photo, you earn a commission. This method is perfect for photographers who want to monetize their work without the hassle of managing a physical store. Print on demand allows you to design custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Once you create your designs, upload them to platforms that handle printing, shipping, and customer service. You earn a profit on each sale without worrying about inventory or upfront costs. Podcasting can be a lucrative way to share your voice and expertise. Choose a niche, create engaging content, and grow your audience. Monetize through sponsorships, ads, and listener support. With minimal equipment needed, starting a podcast is easier than ever. Writing and selling ebooks is a great way to share your knowledge or creativity. Choose a topic you're passionate about, write your ebook, and publish it on platforms like Amazon. Once published, it can generate passive income as readers purchase your work. Social media management is in high demand as businesses seek to maintain an online presence. Offer your services to manage their social accounts, create engaging content, and interact with followers. This role can be done remotely, providing flexibility and a steady income stream. Influencer marketing leverages your social media presence to partner with brands. Create authentic content that promotes products to your followers. As your influence grows, you can negotiate better deals and earn money through sponsored posts, product placements, and affiliate links. Website flipping involves buying underperforming websites, improving their design, content, and traffic, and then selling them for a profit. This method requires some initial investment and knowledge of web development and SEO, but can yield substantial returns. It's a lucrative option for those with a knack for digital marketing. Creating and selling online courses is a fantastic way to share your expertise and earn money. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to host and sell your courses. Whether you teach cooking, coding, or photography, there's always a market for quality educational content. App development is another profitable venture. With the growing reliance on mobile technology, there's a high demand for innovative apps. Whether you develop a game, a productivity tool, or a social networking app, you can monetize it through ads, in-app purchases, or subscription models. Investing in stocks offers a way to grow your wealth over time. By purchasing shares of companies, you can earn dividends and benefit from stock price appreciation. It requires research and a bit of risk tolerance, but can be a rewarding way to make money online. Cryptocurrency trading has gained immense popularity. By buying and selling digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can capitalize on market fluctuations. This method demands a good understanding of the market and constant monitoring, but offers the potential for significant profits. Remote customer service offers a flexible way to earn money by supporting online companies. With just a computer and internet connection, you can answer queries, resolve issues, and provide valuable assistance to customers. This role often allows for adjustable hours, making it perfect for those seeking work-life balance. Data entry jobs are ideal for those who prefer straightforward tasks. These roles involve inputting data into systems, updating records, and maintaining accuracy. They require attention to detail and can be done from anywhere, making them a convenient option for individuals looking to earn money with minimal training. Online coaching allows you to share your expertise and help others achieve their goals. Whether it's business coaching, life coaching, or specialized skills, the demand for personalized guidance is growing. Coaches can conduct sessions via video calls, offering flexibility and the opportunity to build a loyal client base. Voiceover work is a lucrative field for those with a pleasant and versatile voice. This job involves recording scripts for commercials, audiobooks, animations, and more. With the right equipment and a quiet space, you can deliver high-quality recordings from home and connect with clients globally. Transcription services convert audio files into written text, catering to industries like legal, medical, and media. This job requires good listening skills and fast typing speeds. Transcriptionists can work on various projects, from interviews to podcasts, providing a steady stream of work and income opportunities. Selling digital products online can be a lucrative venture. You can create templates, printables, and other digital files that cater to specific needs. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly without additional production costs. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad make it easy to reach a broad audience. Online marketplaces provide a convenient way to sell second-hand items. Platforms like eBay allow you to list items ranging from clothing to electronics. This method not only declutters your space, but also turns unused items into cash. The ease of listing and shipping makes it accessible to everyone. Renting out your space on platforms like Airbnb can generate significant income. Whether it's a spare room or an entire property, you can host travelers and earn money. With flexible pricing and booking options, this method offers a way to monetize unused space while meeting new people. Freelance graphic design offers numerous opportunities to make money online. By creating logos, social media graphics, and marketing materials, you can attract clients from various industries. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with potential clients, allowing you to showcase your portfolio and land projects that match your skills. Translation services are in high demand as businesses expand globally. If you are fluent in multiple languages, you can translate documents, websites, and other content. This service is essential for companies looking to reach international audiences, making it a valuable and well-paying online job. Participating in focus groups is a great way to earn money online. Companies value your opinions and insights, so they pay participants to share their thoughts on products, services, or marketing campaigns. It's an engaging and straightforward way to make extra cash while influencing future developments in various industries. Testing websites is another lucrative option. Companies need user feedback to improve site functionality and user experience. By navigating websites and reporting issues or suggestions, you help enhance their performance. It's a simple task that requires minimal effort and technical knowledge, yet it pays well for your time. If you're musically inclined, selling music or beats online can be profitable. Platforms like SoundCloud, BeatStars, and even YouTube allow artists to monetize their work. Whether you're creating original compositions or producing beats for other musicians, there's a market willing to pay for quality audio content. Developing themes and plugins for websites is a fantastic way to capitalize on your coding skills. With the growing demand for customized online experiences, businesses and individuals seek unique themes and functional plugins. Selling your creations on platforms like WordPress or Shopify can generate a steady income. Writing reviews can be both fun and rewarding. Companies often seek detailed feedback on their products and services to improve customer satisfaction. By providing honest and thorough reviews, you can earn money while helping others make informed purchasing decisions. It's a simple and enjoyable way to monetize your opinions. Selling online courses is a lucrative way to share your expertise and make money. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell courses on topics you're passionate about. With minimal upfront costs, you can reach a global audience and generate passive income as students enroll and learn from your material. Peer-to-peer lending involves lending money directly to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. By cutting out traditional financial institutions, you can earn higher returns on your investments. However, it's essential to assess the risks involved and diversify your investment portfolio to minimize potential losses while maximizing your earnings. Fitness coaching online is in high demand as people look for convenient ways to stay healthy. By offering personalized training sessions via video calls, creating workout plans, and providing nutritional advice, you can build a loyal client base. Utilize social media to market your services and attract new clients. Participating in focus groups is an easy way to earn extra money by sharing your opinions on products and services. Companies value consumer feedback and are willing to pay for it. You can sign up for focus group opportunities online and participate in discussions, surveys, or product tests from the comfort of your home. Website testing involves evaluating websites for user-friendliness, performance, and overall experience. Companies pay for feedback to improve their sites. This gig requires attention to detail and basic knowledge of website functionality. Testers provide valuable insights that help businesses enhance user satisfaction and, in return, earn money for their efforts. Creating and selling online courses allows you to share your expertise with a global audience while generating passive income. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable make it easy to design comprehensive courses on various topics. Once your course is live, it can generate revenue continuously with minimal ongoing effort. Subscribe for more informative videos. See you in the next video.